Yeah, what up with y'all back again for another video, you feel me? It's your boy. I know y'all seen that back there. That ain't my truck, is it? Damn, where that boy done went? That boy, you feel me, posted up in the garage, you feel me? Got my boy out here, gonna give me some tint today. And today, I'm gonna do the cab lights, gonna put the black that cab lights on, white LED. And we get some time, I'ma got dog on me, do a little maintenance on a dirt bike. So until then, you feel me? Let's do what we do. Yeah, I'm tired. I just like to make it by how I be feeling.
D-Mark got that heat on.
Sometimes I look at me and sometimes I don't like what I see. Yeah. Alright, so look, I got the truck cranked up, got dog gonna be them warming up, you feel me? I'm finna show y'all the tint, you feel me? I got 20 up front, you feel me? I went on to play it safe, you feel me? Goddamn, be real, bro, I'm grown now, you feel me? And I ain't got no time to be playing with no police, you feel me? I don't wanna risk it, you feel me? I got a license, so you feel me? Goddamn it, got 20 up front, 5 everywhere else, and goddamn it, I forgot to tell them I wanted a 10 strip with 5 up there. Look. The tent done, goddamn it, we finna go to Home Depot. I didn't tell y'all, but I had already put the cab lights on, you feel me? I put one on, switched the harness or whatever, and it had a gap. It wasn't big, but just enough to let some water in. So I'm finna go and pick up some clear silicone, you feel me? And goddamn me, we gonna come back and do these lights, probably pick up a pair of wire strippers while I'm up there. And we gonna do these lights. Let me show y'all the tint, you feel me? 25, you feel me? 5 on the back, you feel me? That's a straight pipe, you feel me? Yeah, this is what I want. Wire stripper. Yeah, that's what I need. Man, no, $20 boy. I don't just need one that bad. Damn. Alright, so what up? Well, dang, hold on, y'all.
You got games on your phone?
Dang. Strong clamp head. So look, bro, I done left at the store, you feel me? The gap I'm trying to fill be like, you know what I'm talking about, like over on this, you feel me? And the kit came with a gasket, you feel me? It's just the gap that I got, you feel? Alright, so look, you can say, alright, since it's gonna bolt down right here, you feel me? Ain't no water gonna get in around where you worried about it. But see, that's the thing. To be real, bro, what I want to do. Alright, so look. First of all, the first thing I got was gonna sit in like a full 7 days. Like the first sealant that I got was like for some genuine construction, you feel me? Like give it a few days and it's gonna sit. I'm trying to do this now and bust some blocks. You feel me? I don't want to, like, if this don't work out, I thought, I said, what if I go get some RTV, you feel me, and do it like that? What if I go get some RTV and whatnot? And I was thinking, yeah, that may work, that may not work, who knows? But, because I was cutting that mess with my knife, and I rather not slice my hand, because believe it or not, that knife sharp in the mud while you clean. So. Well, my knife sharp in the mud. Then I play with that boy. Snap that goddamn hem hock off.
What?
Man, let me show you. So all that talking, I'm gonna show you some goddamn. You feel me? And then watch it. Better put some respect on that boy name, you feel me? All that dirt and all that good talk. That easy, you feel me, boy? These motherfuckers $12, that shit crazy, boy. Alright, so look. I don't know if I... Ooh, let me catch this knife. It's rough. Anyway, so look. I don't know if I said it, but now I did what I'm thinking now. So look, goddamn... instead of me trying to seal like the outside of the light, you feel me? I'm thinking to myself now, like, what if I go get some RTV, you feel me? Just some, you feel me? Just like some, just go get some RTV, and instead of trying to seal around the light, what if I just seal the hole where the wires come out that's on the truck, you feel me? Because if you seal the only place where water can get in, you can't go wrong, no matter if it's got a gap or not. So now I'm thinking I might just run over to AutoZone real quick and get some RTV and just literally put like a RTV quote unquote gasket just around the hole of the light, a thick one, you feel me, to keep water at. I don't know, I'm just brainstorming at this point. I'm just trying to see. Yeah, I see that, bro. Like, it's a very small gap. Like, that's just enough to let some water in, you feel me? I'm talking about just enough to let some water in, you feel me? So, everything is straight, you feel me? I don't want to risk it, bro. My shit working and everything, you feel me, bro? Let's try to leave it must stop, shouldn't it? Cause it's gonna look like I got some glue up there, you feel me? Like that shit gonna look cheap. Like it ain't gonna look, man. So I just feel like this look goofy. I mean, I told myself that if I didn't like it, I could wait till it hardened, you know, clean all of it up and put my stock stuff back on, and it'll never be like I put that on there. But then I had a kind of better idea. What if I remember I was telling y'all, what if I just put the gasket around that? So I'm gonna let that get a little tacky. Then I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna see. So, forget all that. I wasn't finna give up. I wasn't give. Let me show you what I done did. So ain't that much better? Ain't that much cleaner? You feel me? Ain't that much cleaner, much less noticeable? You feel me? Versus that. You feel me? So I'm okay with this. Real talk, I gave it just barely enough to cover the little gaps. I put some over here just to be safe. Let me show y'all from afar because it looked kind of too up on camera. But I fuck with that. That's clean. You feel me? But you know people see it different, yeah. But you know people see it different, But you know people see it different, yeah. But you know people see it different, Same set of eyes with the same separate vision, Same set of ears and you can still hear it different, Same set of words and it'll translate different. I'm mad up at the world cause I'm unhappy with myself, and I know that I'm better. I keep pushing just for self, and don't quit my nigga, it get better, hold on. This life shit short but it seems so long. I'm thinking about my sister. That's that on that. It ain't the best, it ain't the most polished, but at the end of the day, I did it, so I'm gonna stand on it. That on that. If you hating on see-through silicone, you on my dick, cause you're up that close to my truck. So, let me show y'all. I finished in the nick of time. Alright, y'all, it's your boy. I'm back. Got the waiting to rain at and I was actually editing this video. And meanwhile, to be real, bro, I thought of 300 different ways that I could have. I thought of 300 different ways that I could have applied that silicone other than what I did. But you know, it always be like that after you done something, especially if you kind of had one set of vision before you did it, you feel me? But nah, I just wanted to come outside, you feel me, in the video. I'm finna go get me something to eat, so I said, hey, why not, you feel me? So you already know, I'm finna show y'all what y'all want to see in a second, but you already know, like, comment, subscribe. I'll let y'all know if it hold up. If you don't, then I'll, you know, adjust and keep moving. But you know, like, comment, subscribe, and I really appreciate it if y'all would hit the bell icon. Hit the bell icon. I know it's been a while since I've been posting, you feel me? So drop them comments, thumbs it up, you feel me? And hit the bell icon. That way we can get back in the algorithms, you feel me? Get back twerkulating as we should. Other than that, I'm finna step outside.